Is there anything worse than sitting at a family dinner, watching everyone laugh, but having no idea what the joke was? You just nod and smile to avoid the embarrassment. Or maybe your family constantly complains that the TV is too loud. You know, you need hearing aids, but honestly, who has $5,000 just lying around for a tiny piece of plastic? Well, stop suffering in silence. Because in 2025, the laws have changed. I found the top 3 FDA-cleared hearing aids that require no doctor, no prescription, and ship straight to your door. We're going to test them for sound, comfort, and price. Let's get your hearing back without breaking the bank. All right, let's jump right in. The game has totally changed thanks to the Over-the-Counter Hearing Aid Act. This law allows trusted companies to sell high-quality, FDA-cleared hearing aids directly to you. This cuts out the middleman, the expensive appointments, and the crazy markups. We're talking about saving thousands of dollars. But with so many new options out there, how do you know which one is right for you? That's where I come in. I've spent weeks researching, ordering, and testing the most popular OTC hearing aids on the market. I've narrowed it down to the top 3 contenders that offer the best bang for your buck. Let's start with our third-place pick. This one is a great entry-level option. When I first put it in, the sound quality was definitely a step up from not having anything. It's a behind-the-ear, or BTE model, which means the main body sits behind your ear, and a thin tube goes into your ear canal. It's pretty discreet. In terms of comfort, it's lightweight, but after wearing it for about 6 hours straight, I did start to feel a little pressure behind my ear. It wasn't painful, just noticeable. Sound-wise, it does a decent job of amplifying general sounds. Conversations were clearer, and I could hear the television at a much lower volume, which my wife definitely appreciated. However, in noisy environments like a busy coffee shop, it struggled a bit to separate speech from the background chatter. It tended to amplify everything, which could be a little overwhelming. The price is its biggest selling point, coming in at just under $300 for a pair. For someone on a very tight budget who needs a basic boost, this is a solid starting point. It comes with a few different sized ear domes to help you get a good fit and a simple charging case. It's a no-frills device that does the basics well. Now for our runner-up, coming in at number 2. This device is a significant step up in technology and design. It's an in-the-canal or IT style, which means it sits almost entirely inside your ear canal, making it nearly invisible. When people say they want a discreet hearing aid, this is what they're picturing. Comfort is excellent. I wore these for a full day, about 10 hours, and honestly forgot they were even there a few times. They're custom molded to your ear shape through a simple process you do at home, which makes a huge difference. The sound quality is where this one really starts to shine. It features more advanced sound processing, which means it's better at distinguishing between voices and background noise. That coffee shop test? Much better. I could actually follow a conversation without all the clatter of dishes and other people talking drowning it out. It also connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. This is a game changer. You can stream music or take phone calls directly through your hearing aids. Plus, there's an app that lets you fine-tune the settings for different environments, like a restaurant mode or a quiet mode. The price is higher, around the $800 mark, but for the jump in performance, comfort, and features, it's a fantastic value. And that brings us to my number 1 pick, the best overall OTC hearing aid you can buy in 2025. This device is the total package. It combines the best of all worlds. It's an incredibly small, completely in-canal or CIC model, so it is absolutely invisible. Unless you tell someone you're wearing it, they will never know. Comfort is a 10 out of 10. It's so light and fits so perfectly that you will genuinely forget it's there. But the sound is just phenomenal. It uses state-of-the-art AI technology to analyze your surroundings in real time. It automatically adjusts to give you the clearest sound possible. Walking from a quiet street into a loud, crowded market, the transition was seamless. The device adapted instantly, suppressing the background noise and focusing on the speech of the person I was talking to. It was like having my natural hearing back. It also has the most advanced Bluetooth connectivity I've tested, allowing for crystal clear streaming and calls. The companion app is incredibly user-friendly and offers a hearing test to create a personalized profile tailored exactly to your specific hearing loss. The battery life is also best in class, lasting a full 18 hours on a single charge. Now, this is the most premium option, priced at around $1,500. But when you compare that to the $5,000, $6,000, or even $7,000 you'd pay for a traditional hearing aid with similar features, the value is undeniable. You're getting top-tier, prescription-grade technology for a fraction of the cost. So let's recap. If you're on a strict budget and need a simple, effective solution, our number 3 pick is a great choice. If you want advanced features like Bluetooth and better noise cancellation in a nearly invisible design, our number 2 is an amazing mid-range option. But if you want the absolute best-in-class, most comfortable, and most technologically advanced hearing aid that will make you feel like you have your youthful hearing back, my number 1 recommendation is, without a doubt, the one to get. Don't let hearing loss isolate you from the people and activities you love. The days of needing a $5,000 budget are over. You can get your hearing, your confidence, and your life back. I've put links to all 3 of these FDA-cleared hearing aids in the description below. Check them out, see which one fits your needs and your budget. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews. We'll see you in the next one.